Good morning. It is 5 a.m. It's Friday, May 20th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us here on this Friday morning to get us started and get us ready for the weekend. And after a rainy day yesterday, things looking better.
So it is looking dry for most of the day today, but there is the possibility of a passing shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. But by the evening, we do look to clear out. It's going to be very warm today.
Sounds good.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are starting out in the 40s and kind of near 50 here this morning. We will rise to right near 80 today. It is going to get noticeably more humid throughout the day, and that brings in the possibility for a passing shower or a weak thunderstorm. But as of right now, we are mostly dry. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, and we will be seeing the sun come out a little bit for today. So a passing shower or thunderstorm is possible this afternoon, clearing out by the evening. We will continue to stay hot and humid for this weekend, and we have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Sunday due to the possibility of strong storms in the afternoon and evening. So for today, we will be seeing sunshine, highs near 80, breezy conditions with the possibility of a passing shower or storm later on this afternoon. And I will be talking a little bit more about the weekend coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Anna, thanks. Decision 2022.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking sunshine for most of today with the possibility of a passing shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. So let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are waking up to some patchy fog this morning, as well as partly cloudy skies, and it is a little bit chilly outside with our temperatures in the 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry at this point across our viewing area here this morning, and we are going to be seeing the sunshine for the morning and early afternoon hours with partly cloudy skies. But once again, there is the possibility of a passing shower or storm to come through in the later afternoon hours, clearing out by the evening. But right now, we are mainly in the 40s, right near 50. We have 43 degrees in Dowdesville, 48 degrees in Whitesboro, and 50 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 48 degrees in Hamilton and 46 degrees in Norwich this morning. So our high temperature today is going to reach right near 80. It is going to start to get hot and humid as we head into the afternoon. Very hot and humid for the weekend. We will be near 90 on Saturday and 87 degrees for the high temperature on Sunday. So this weekend, very hot and humid, and this brings in the possibility for a few thunderstorms for both days. So after a cold front moves through on Sunday, bringing a round of thunderstorms, we will cool down and the humidity will kind of break as we head into Monday. Highs just in the 60s, and then we will be in the 70s for the rest of the week. So speaking of this weekend, we have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Sunday. We will see a strong cold front move through Sunday later afternoon into the evening, kind of arriving from the west, and this could bring some strong storms as well as some pretty gusty winds. But we cannot rule out thunderstorms on Saturday as well, especially Saturday afternoon and evening. Highs are going to be near 90 with a few thunderstorms possible. And once again, Sunday, it is more likely we are going to be seeing thunderstorms later on, kind of after dinner time. So that is why we have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. But as of today, we will be seeing partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions. Highs are going to be near 80, but as we head into the afternoon, there is a possibility to see a passing shower or storm. That will clear out for the evening. Temperatures will be in the 60s overnight, so still very warm overnight. And for most of the day on Saturday, we are going to be dry, just going to be hot and humid, highs near 90. This is 3 p.m. We see our first round of storms kind of moving through, and then later on, this is midnight heading into Sunday, we could be seeing some more storms as it is still going to be very warm overnight. For most of Sunday, we look dry as well, still highs in the upper 80s, but as we head into the afternoon and evening, we could be seeing some more storms. But as for today, we are dry with some sunshine here this morning, highs near 80, possibility of a passing shower or storm this afternoon, and we will clear out tonight for partly cloudy skies, a low in the 60s. So the possibility of some storms comes in tomorrow afternoon and evening. Very hot and humid, highs near 90. Sunday has been issued as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to a strong cold front moving through, bringing in some storms in the evening, and the heat and humidity drop next week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Students from Straub Middle.
Welcome back. We are going to be mostly dry with sunshine for the morning and early afternoon, but there's a possibility we could be seeing a few scattered showers, possibly a thunderstorm moving through later on this afternoon, looking to clear out by around 7 or 8 p.m. this evening if you do have any plans for tonight. But as for tomorrow and Sunday, it does look like we are going to be seeing some scattered thunderstorms on both days, especially in the afternoon and evening hours for both days. We do dry out on Monday. So this is just for tomorrow afternoon. This is just for Saturday. We are under a marginal risk for the Mohawk Valley and up north for some thunderstorms moving through. The Southern Valley is not so much, so it does look like Mohawk Valley and up north could be seeing some scattered severe thunderstorms moving through that could be producing some pretty gusty winds. Once again, this is just for tomorrow. So if you were planning out your weekend, I would definitely just say tomorrow is the better day, because for most of the day we are going to be dry with sunshine, very hot and humid. Those thunderstorms don't look to come in until the afternoon and evening. They are going to be scattered. As for Sunday, we have issued a storm tracker 2 alert day just because the thunderstorms are going to be a little bit more likely for Sunday. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Scientists say May 20th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Friday morning to get us started. And how are we looking today? I know you mentioned the possibility of some thunderstorms.
Yes, so we are going to be mostly dry for the morning. It's going to get very hot quite quickly as a warm front approaches, and then with that we could be seeing some thunderstorms this afternoon. They do look to move through pretty quickly though.
So a warm front today and a cold front Sunday, right?
Yes, so today through this weekend we have the possibility of thunderstorms each afternoon.
Wow,
So
and it's going to get hot.
Yes, and something to keep an eye on. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are starting out pretty chilly. We are in the 40s this morning, right near 50. We will reach 80 today. The humidity does start today. It is going to feel quite muggy and very humid and hot over the weekend. But as of right now, we are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. But as a warm front approaches us this afternoon, we could be seeing the possibility of a few scattered thunderstorms. They do look to move through pretty quickly, though, kind of clearing out by this evening. So once again, a passing shower or thunderstorm is definitely possible here this afternoon. We are staying very hot and humid for this weekend. Highs are going to be near 90 this weekend, and we have decided to issue a Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Sunday due to severe thunderstorms possible, once again, kind of just like Monday. But as for today, we are going to be seeing some sunshine this morning. Highs are going to reach near 80, and then there is the possibility of a passing shower or a thunderstorm here this afternoon. And I will be talking a little bit more about the weekend coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Police and fire officials.
Weather Team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking dry conditions with some sunshine here this morning, but there is the possibility of a few showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are also waking up to some patchy fog here this morning, so just be careful for any areas of low visibility when driving. Our temperature right now is in the 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, once again tracking dry conditions and partly cloudy skies here this morning, but we will be seeing a warm front approach us here this afternoon, bringing a little bit of an increase in cloud cover and bringing that humidity as well. And this brings in the chance for a couple showers and thunderstorms before 7 p.m. this evening. But as of right now, we are in the 40s for most of us. We have 42 degrees in Big Moose, 49 degrees in Whitesboro, and 50 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 48 degrees in Hamilton and 47 degrees in Sherburne this morning. We will get very warm and humid today throughout the day. Highs are going to reach right near 80. So once again for this afternoon, half of our viewing area, so specifically west and south of Utica, is looking at a marginal risk for some severe storms. So we could be seeing some high winds and some thunderstorms here this afternoon. The timing looks to be between 3 and 7 p.m. So very quick moving, and we do look to see clear skies once again by 8 p.m. So the same thing goes for this weekend. We are going to continue to see the chance for thunderstorms today through Sunday. So tomorrow we are going to get very hot, very humid. Highs are going to be near 90 with some thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours. They do look to be a little bit more likely for our Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Sunday due to a strong cold front moving towards us throughout the afternoon and evening on Sunday. And once that cold front moves through, our humidity will break and our temperature will drop. So let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. We are going to see partly cloudy skies this morning. Highs today will reach near 80, and there's the possibility to see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms this afternoon through the evening, clearing out by 8 p.m. Heading into tomorrow, we are already starting out warm already in the upper 60s in the morning. We will rise to near 90 for the high temperature. Very hot, very humid throughout the day tomorrow, and this brings the possibility for a few isolated thunderstorms or two. Heading into early Sunday, we are looking to see some thunderstorms overnight into the early morning hours, and throughout the day we are going to be seeing sunshine and then the possibility of a few isolated thunderstorms move through Sunday afternoon, looking to get more severe after dinner in the evening as that cold front passes through. But for today, we are going to be seeing sunshine this morning. The possibility of a passing shower or storm comes in the later afternoon, looking to clear out by this evening. Highs near 80, and tonight we will be dry with partly cloudy skies, a low in just the 60s, so very warm tonight. Tomorrow there is still the possibility for a few thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Highs near 90, very hot, very humid, so keep that in mind for tomorrow. Sunday has been issued as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to the likeliness of some thunderstorms throughout the afternoon and evening. Still very warm with highs near 90, and that heat and that humidity breaks on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Reaching the pinnacle of a...
Welcome back. We are going to start getting humid today. It is going to feel quite muggy, and it is going to be very, very humid over the weekend, hot as well. So it is going to feel a lot warmer outside because of that humidity. Once a cold front moves through on Sunday, our humidity will break as well as the heat. For next week, we will be in the 60s and 70s. So here's a look at the heat index. This is Saturday at 2:30 p.m. It's going to be very hot on Saturday, feeling like 93 degrees in Utica and Oneida, feeling like 92 degrees in Herkimer, even 84 degrees in Inlet. So it is going to feel very, very warm tomorrow because of that humidity as well. So if you were planning to spend some time outside in between the storms and stuff, we are going to be seeing some sunshine and dry conditions. If you do have allergies, make sure you take your allergy medicine because the pollen count is going to be very high for today and for the weekend. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Looking now at some of the events happening locally inside your weekend plans. It's Friday, May 20th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans. Joining us now to help us all plan our Friday, and I know a lot of folks looking forward to the weekend, and beginning today, it's going to be a hot one, right?
Yes, it is going to reach near 80 today, getting pretty humid. There is a possibility for some afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but they look to move out pretty quickly, and we'll be dry by around 8 p.m.
And then you're saying 90 tomorrow.
Yes, going to be very hot and humid tomorrow. I probably won't be outside.
It's going to heat up.
Yes, let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are in the 40s here this morning, almost near 50. We are going to be warming up pretty quickly today, highs reaching near 80, and it is going to be getting humid. We are dry as of right now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 with Doppler radar, but there is going to be a warm front approaching us this afternoon, looking to bring some scattered showers and thunderstorms at times. The timing looks to be between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m., looking to clear out by this evening. So a passing shower or thunderstorm definitely possible this afternoon, but we look to be dry by the evening. We are staying very hot and humid for the weekend, and the possibility of thunderstorms continues up through Sunday. And we have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Sunday due to the likeliness of seeing a couple severe thunderstorms. But as for today, we are dry with sunshine this morning. Highs near 80 with the possibility of a few showers and thunderstorms later on this afternoon. And then we'll be talking a little bit more about the weekend coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022 now.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are going to be seeing some sunshine this morning and afternoon, getting very hot and humid with the chance of a few thunderstorms this afternoon. So let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera. We can kind of see we are seeing partly cloudy skies this morning, areas of patchy fog, so be careful when driving. And we are starting out a bit chilly, temperatures in the 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 with Doppler radar, we are tracking mostly dry conditions across our viewing area here this morning. But today through Sunday, there is a possibility to see a few showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. So once again, as of right now, we are just seeing partly cloudy skies, a slight breeze outside, but a warm front will approach us and move through. And as this moves through, we could be seeing some scattered thunderstorms and showers this afternoon. The timing looks to be between 3 and 7 p.m. So we look to completely dry out after 8 p.m. But this morning, according to our sky watchers, we are starting out kind of in the 40s. We have 49 degrees in New Hartford, Clinton, and Westdale, and 39 degrees in Old Forge. Looking to the south, we have 47 degrees in Cooperstown and 44 degrees in Edmiston this morning. We will look to rise to near 80 today, getting very hot and getting very humid as this warm front approaches us. So this brings in the marginal risk for some thunderstorms, especially towards the west and south of Utica this afternoon into the evening. Once again, the timing looks to be between 3 and 7 p.m. So these thunderstorms are going to be very quick moving. They could be producing some heavy rain and some winds at the time they are moving through. So once again, as through Sunday, we are going to continue to see the risk for some thunderstorms. Tomorrow, it is going to get very hot, very humid, highs near 90, feeling even warmer. And because of this humidity, we will be seeing the possibility of thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. More likely for our alert day on Sunday, a strong cold front moves through on Sunday. This will break the heat and drop the temperature, but we could be seeing some thunderstorms along that cold front. But as for today, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies. The first day is going to be getting pretty warm, highs near 80, and it is going to be getting humid. There's a possibility for a few scattered thunderstorms this afternoon, looking to clear out by around 8 p.m. So if you are heading out tonight at all, it is going to be warm and dry. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s and 60s this evening. Heading into tomorrow, we will reach near 90, getting very hot and very humid, seeing sunshine for most of the day, and then the possibility for some scattered thunderstorms later on. Heading into Sunday, we could be seeing some thunderstorms overnight into Sunday, but for most of Sunday, we do look dry, and then that chance of some thunderstorms comes in the afternoon and evening, kind of after dinner time. But for today, we are going to be seeing some sunshine this morning, getting very hot and humid, highs near 80, with the possibility of some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. We look to dry out tonight with a low in just the mid-60s. So the chance of thunderstorms start today through Sunday as we get hot and humid. Highs near 90 on Saturday, and same thing on Sunday. Sunday is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to the likeliness of seeing some thunderstorms, and that heat and that humidity will break on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Students from Stroud Middle School.
Back, we are going to be mostly dry for the morning and early afternoon hours for the next couple of days, but then there comes the possibility for scattered thunderstorms today through Sunday. We have actually issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Sunday, but then as a cold front moves through on Sunday, the heat and the humidity and the chance of storms, that ends on Monday. So as you know, for today, we are under a risk for the western and southern part of Utica. This is for tomorrow afternoon, including Utica, the Mohawk Valley, and up north is under a risk to see some thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon that could also produce some high winds and some heavy downpours at time. So for this weekend, it is more likely we are going to be seeing some thunderstorms on Sunday, but still likely for Saturday, especially in the afternoon and the evening. Very hot and humid tomorrow, highs near 90. Same thing on Sunday, we will be seeing highs in the 80s, almost near 90, but a cold front will move through Sunday afternoon into the evening. So as that cold front moves through, we could be seeing some storms with that, but then the heat and the humidity breaks once it moves through. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Scientists say they may be 20th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all prepare for our very warm weekend ahead. And when does that warm weather start moving in?
So we are going to be seeing temperatures near 80 today, and then tomorrow and Sunday will be near 90, so very, very hot. Also, it's going to be humid, so it is going to feel even warmer outside. So.
Summer in May.
Yes, summer in May. We usually don't reach our first 90-degree day until mid-June, so this is very soon.
Yeah, and maybe a sign of things to come this summer. Watch.
Yes, hopefully. Let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are starting out in the 40s and 50s this morning, but we are going to warm up pretty quickly. We will reach near 80 for the high temperature today, and it is also going to be getting very humid starting today. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are mainly dry at this point, but a warm front will start to move through this afternoon, bringing in the possibility to see a few showers and some isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. But we do look to dry out by 8 p.m. this evening. So a passing shower and or thunderstorm is possible here this afternoon. We look to dry out this evening. The timing of this looks to be between 3 and 7 p.m. But through this weekend, we are staying very hot, very humid. The chance of thunderstorm occurs for both Saturday and Sunday. We have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Sunday due to the likeliness of seeing a couple severe thunderstorms. But as for today, we are seeing sunshine this morning. We will be seeing highs near 80, and once again, the possibility of a shower or thunderstorm is there. And I will be talking a little bit more about the weekend coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Police and fire officials.
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking some sunshine here this morning. It is going to get very hot and very humid starting today with the possibility of a few thunderstorms this afternoon. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera. We can kind of see partly sunny skies this morning, but more clouds this morning than sun. We are starting out in the 40s, but we are going to warm up pretty quickly to right near 80 degrees. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking mainly dry conditions for this morning, but once again, there is the possibility to see an isolated shower or a thunderstorm kind of starting to move through this afternoon due to a warm front that is approaching us. So we are seeing just a slight breeze outside. It is going to be a little bit breezy today with some clouds moving in, and a warm front is going to move through. So between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 p.m., we could be seeing a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. It looks to clear out by this evening if you do have any outdoor plans for tonight. But as of right now, we are mainly in the 40s. We have 48 degrees in Oppenheim, 49 degrees in New Hartford, Clinton, and in Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 48 degrees in Morris and 47 degrees in West Lawrence and Cooperstown here this morning. We will warm up pretty quickly today to right near 80. But we are under a marginal risk by the National Weather Service for some scattered thunderstorms this afternoon that could produce some high winds and some heavy rains at times. This is mainly for the western part of Utica and the southern part of Utica, so west and south of Utica. So keep that in mind. These look to happen between the hours of 3 to 7, looking to clear out by this evening, and the chance of thunderstorms heads into Sunday. So tomorrow we are going to be very hot, very humid. Highs are going to be near 90s, and we are going to be seeing the possibility of a few scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. We have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Sunday due to the likeliness that we are going to be seeing some thunderstorms throughout the day. Highs are going to be near 90, then a cold front moves through that will break the heat and the humidity for the start of next week. So as of right now, we are seeing partly cloudy skies. Highs today will reach near 80, and by this afternoon, there is the possibility for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms looking to clear out by this evening. Heading into tomorrow, we will be seeing some sunshine during the day, highs near 90, but then in the afternoon and evening, there is the possibility that we could be seeing a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Heading into Sunday, there is the more likelihood that we are going to be seeing some thunderstorms. We have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. It is also going to be very hot and humid up until that cold front passes through. Then that is going to break the heat and the humidity for the start of next week. But as for today, we are going to be seeing some sunshine this morning, an increase in cloud cover, and then a few showers and thunderstorms this afternoon between the hours of 3 and 7 p.m. Highs near 80. By this evening, we will dry out for mostly cloudy skies and a low just in the mid-60s overnight. So starting today, it is going to get humid. It will be humid through Sunday. This brings in the possibility of thunderstorms for all 3 days. We have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Sunday due to a strong cold front moving through that could be bringing some stronger storms. That heat and that humidity breaks from that cold front on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Reaching the
Welcome back. It is going to start to be humid and hot starting today through Sunday, getting very humid for tomorrow and Sunday with highs near 90. So it is going to feel even hotter outside than the actual temperature. A cold front will move through on Sunday, bringing a round of some showers and some thunderstorms that will break the humidity and the heat for the start of next week. So this is at 3:30 p.m. on Saturday when it is going to be very hot. Temperatures are going to reach near 90 for the high, but it is going to feel even warmer, feeling like 92 degrees in Utica and Herkimer, feeling like 85 degrees in Inlet and 87 degrees down in Oneonta. So very hot on Saturday. Make sure you are drinking enough water. And if you are heading outside, if you do have allergies, the pollen count is also going to be very high for today through Sunday. So keep that in mind if you are planning to head outside at all this weekend. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Looking now at some of the events happening. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. It's Friday, May 20th. I'm Gary Liberatore meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now to help us all plan our very warm weekend ahead, right?
Yes, so we are going to be very warm, especially tomorrow. Highs near 90, and it's going to be humid as well, so feeling very, very hot outside.
I know a lot of people don't like the warm weather, but I'm welcoming it.
I like it, but I don't know if I like the humidity with
Yeah.
it, making it feel hotter, but I do like the warm weather.
Yeah, it's better than the cold.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the bus stop forecast. If you are heading out to the bus stop this morning, temperatures will be in the 50s with partly cloudy skies. There is patchy fog as well, but by the afternoon we will reach near 80. There is the possibility of a passing shower and thunderstorm. So for today, we are going to see sunshine and dry weather this morning, but by the later afternoon hours, there's a possibility for a few scattered thunderstorms and showers. This will clear out by this evening with a low in the 60s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022.
Back this weekend is looking very hot, but a little unsettled. There's the possibility to see some scattered thunderstorms Saturday afternoon and evening, and more likely we are going to be seeing them on Sunday as a cold front moves through. Now, as that cold front moves through on Sunday afternoon into the evening hours, the heat and the humidity will break. It also is going to be very, very humid this weekend. So on Saturday, this is 2:30 p.m. when it is going to be the warmest. We will be seeing temperatures right near 90, feeling a lot warmer because it will be humid, feeling like 93 degrees in Utica and Oneida, 87 degrees, feeling like in Oneonta, feeling like 84 degrees in Inlet. So it is going to be a very hot and humid day, especially on Saturday. But as for today, our high temperatures are going to reach right near 80. A passing shower and thunderstorm is definitely possible here this afternoon as a warm front approaches us. And tonight we'll have a low in the mid-60s, drying out. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Students from
Welcome back. We are tracking some dry weather this morning. It is going to get very hot and humid, bringing in the possibility of some thunderstorms this afternoon. So let's take a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions, but there is going to be a warm front approaching us. This brings in warmer weather and humid conditions and the possibility for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. The timing of that today looks to be between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m., clearing out before 8 p.m. So we are saying hot and humid for the weekend. The chance of thunderstorms is there for both Saturday and Sunday, and we've issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Sunday due to a cold front moving through that brings in the possibility of some more severe thunderstorms. We are going to be very, very humid for Saturday and Sunday. It is going to feel a lot hotter outside than the actual temperature, but once that cold front moves through, the heat and the humidity will break for the start of next week. So for today, we will be seeing sunshine earlier on. Highs are going to reach near 80, and then there comes in the possibility of a few showers and thunderstorms, and I will be talking a little bit more about the weekend coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Police and
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking dry conditions for this morning, but by this afternoon, the possibility of a few showers and thunderstorms come in. So let's take a look at our Cavie tower camera. We are also seeing some patchy fog here this morning. We will be warming up pretty quickly today with highs reaching near 80. On our radar and satellite here this morning, we are mostly dry in our area, just seeing a little bit extra cloud cover, and there is going to be a warm front approaching us by this afternoon. Between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 p.m., we could be seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms. That does look to move out by this evening. So the risk is high winds and heavy rains at times of the storms. The people under this risk are west and south of Utica. So just keep that in mind for this afternoon. But if you do have any plans for this evening, it should be all dried out by then. So we are going to be very humid from today through Sunday. So for all 3 of these days through Sunday brings in the possibility of some thunderstorms because of this humidity. So we are going to be seeing some scattered thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon and evening. Very, very hot tomorrow. Highs near 90 with humid conditions. And we've had issued a storm tracker 2 alert day on Sunday because there is going to be a cold front moving through Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. That could bring a line of storms. But then after that cold front does move through, our temperature drops and the humidity breaks for the start of next week. So we are seeing partly cloudy skies this morning. It is going to be breezy today. We will be seeing highs right near 80, getting pretty humid throughout the day. By the afternoon into around 7 p.m., we could be seeing some scattered showers and storms looking to clear out by 8 p.m. And this evening, we will still be in the 70s throughout the evening. Heading into tomorrow, we are going to warm up a lot. We will be seeing highs near 90 with some sunshine and then the possibility of some storms come in the afternoon and evening. Heading into Sunday, warm and humid once again. Highs are going to be near 90 once again, and the possibility of some scattered showers and storms comes in as that cold front moves through. But as for today, we are going to be seeing dry conditions this morning, highs reaching near 80 with the possibility of a shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. We will clear out this evening, a low in the 60s. So the humidity will remain until Sunday. This keeps the chance of thunderstorms in our forecast. We have issued a storm tracker 2 alert day for Sunday.
It's already getting warm out there today.
Yes, right now we are looking at temperatures in the lower to mid 70s, already starting to get humid as a warm front approaches us. This brings in the possibility for a few showers and possible thunderstorms. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. We are dry as of right now, seeing kind of hazy skies outside, but there is a warm front approaching. We could be seeing a few scattered showers and possibly some weak thunderstorms moving through here this afternoon. The timing looks to be between 3 and 7 p.m., but we do look to clear out by the evening. Speaking of tomorrow, we are going to be getting even warmer. Highs are going to be near 90, but it is going to feel even warmer. We will feel like the lower to mid 90s here in the Mohawk Valley just due to the humidity. Very hot and humid for tomorrow. So for the weekend, some scattered thunderstorms are expected tomorrow afternoon, and Sunday, same thing. We are still going to be warm on Sunday. We have issued a storm tracker 2 alert day because a cold front is going to be moving through Sunday evening, could be bringing in some heavier bands of storms. But as for today, we will be seeing more clouds and sun, highs near 80, the possibility of a few showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. I will be talking a little bit more about the weekend coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. With these extremely
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. It is getting very hot and very humid here this afternoon with our temperatures right now in the mid-70s. So let's take a look at our Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing partly cloudy skies with kind of hazy skies as well, starting to get humid, and it is going to remain humid for the rest of the weekend. If we take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, seeing no activity in our area at this point, but there is kind of a line of some heavier showers and weak thunderstorms moving towards us at this point due to a warm front that is approaching us. So between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 p.m., we could be seeing a few scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. So with this, it is going to move through pretty quickly. Once again, looking like between 3 to 7 p.m. But after it moves through, we should be clear and dry at around 8 p.m. But already very warm here this afternoon. We are already mostly in the 70s. We have 70 degrees in Mohawk, 72 degrees in Gray, and 75 degrees in Cassville this afternoon. We will reach high temperatures near 80 for today, getting very muggy outside as this warm front approaches us, and we are going to remain very humid for tomorrow and Sunday. This leaves the possibility of a few thunderstorms tomorrow and Sunday afternoon because it is going to be so humid. A cold front will move through on Sunday afternoon, kind of into the evening hours, and once that cold front moves through, that will kind of break the heat heat and the humidity, and we will be much more comfortable heading into the beginning of next week. So today our high temperatures are going to be in the low 80s. Tomorrow and Sunday we are going to be right near 90, very, very hot tomorrow. So make sure you're not spending too long outside in the heat of the day tomorrow. Heat issues could be a concern, but once that humidity breaks, when that cold front moves through on Sunday, we will be much more comfortable and around average temperatures for next week. So as of right now, we are seeing just a few showers moving through between the hours of 3 to 7 p.m., possibly some weak thunderstorms. But after that moves through, we will be dry at around 8 p.m. this evening. Temperatures still in the 70s this evening, so it is going to be a very warm night if you do have any plans outside for this evening. Tonight, our lows are only dropping into the mid-60s, and tomorrow we are going to be mostly sunny, very hazy, hot, and humid during the day. This is 3 p.m. We could be seeing around some thunderstorms moving through, especially for the Mohawk Valley and up north for tomorrow. But then that does clear out pretty quickly. Still very warm for Saturday evening. Heading into midnight on Sunday morning, could be seeing some few more thunderstorms moving through, and then throughout the day on Sunday we are going to be seeing sunshine once again. Still very hot, highs in the upper 80s, but then once a cold front moves through, we will drop into the 60s for Sunday evening. So as for today, we will reach highs near 80. We could be seeing a few passing showers and some weak thunderstorms. Breezy conditions outside right now, and tonight low only in the mid-60s, and we will be seeing dry conditions with partly cloudy skies. So it is going to be very humid starting today through Sunday. This brings in the possibility of some thunderstorms this afternoon, Saturday afternoon, and Sunday afternoon. We have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day on Sunday due to that cold front that is going to be passing through that could be bringing a line of some heavy storms. But the heat and humidity breaks next week. Back to you guys.
Hannah, thanks. I'm joined now once again. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans. And Hannah, it is going to be a hot one this whole weekend.
Yes, it is going to be very, very warm. We usually see our first 90-degree day in the middle of June. We're now seeing it in the middle of May. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As of right now, it is starting to get humid. There is a warm front moving towards us. That is where those lines of showers and just a few weak thunderstorms is. So this is going to pass through us. I'm thinking the timing is probably around 3 to 7 p.m. We could be seeing a passing shower or a passing weak thunderstorm, but otherwise we are going to be dry for this evening. Tomorrow we are going to get to very warm. Our highs are going to be right near 90, and even in the Mohawk Valley it is going to feel like the mid-90s outside because it is going to be very, very humid tomorrow. So just be careful when spending too much time outside. It is looking like we could be seeing some afternoon and evening thunderstorms for tomorrow, and the same thing goes for Sunday due to a cold front moving through. So that is why we have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Sunday. But for today, we will reach highs near 80. A passing shower or thunderstorm is possible, and I will be talking a little bit more about the weekend coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Turning now.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking warm and humid conditions starting today through Sunday. As of right now, our temperatures are in the mid-70s. So let's take a look at our Maraboto Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Seeing partly cloudy skies right now, kind of a haze in the sky as well, and once again getting very humid here this afternoon. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry in our viewing area as of right now, but there is a warm front approaching us, kind of just bringing in a round of an isolated shower or two, possibly a weak thunderstorm here this afternoon. The timing looks to be between 3 and 7 p.m., but after that it does look to clear out. It is very quick moving. Once this warm front moves through, it is going to start to get very warm, especially for tomorrow and Sunday, and it is going to be humid as well. But right now, according to our sky watchers, we are already in the 70s. We have 70 degrees in Mohawk, 73 degrees in Otsego, and 71 degrees in Clinton. Our high temperature today is going to be in the low 80s. So we are getting pretty muggy if you do feel it outside this afternoon. It is going to be very, very humid for tomorrow and Sunday. Very hot as well with highs near 90. But a cold front will move through on Sunday. That will break the heat and humidity, and we will feel much more comfortable heading into next week. So as for tomorrow and Sunday, highs are going to be near 90. So definitely be careful with spending time outside. If you are outside in the heat of the day, be careful of that and make sure you are hydrated. We usually don't see our 90-degree day until mid-June, so we are very early this year. But after a cold front moves through on Sunday, Once again, that heat and that humidity will break. We will be kind of around average for this time of year. So let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. A passing shower or weak thunderstorm is possible between the hours of 3 and 7 this afternoon. It will clear out after 7 for a nice and warm evening ahead. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s this evening, so if you are heading outside at all for tonight, it is going to be a pretty nice night. Heading into tomorrow, getting very warm very quickly. Our highs are going to reach near 90, very, very humid as well. This is 3 p.m. We could be seeing a few thunderstorms rolling through, especially in the Mohawk Valley and up in the North Country. But other than that, we will be seeing sunshine for tomorrow. Tomorrow night into Sunday, this is midnight. We could be seeing a few storms overnight because it is going to be so humid. And throughout the day on Sunday, we will be seeing peaks of sunshine. Still very hot and humid though, and there's a cold front that is going to be passing through in the afternoon and evening. So along that cold front, we could be seeing some storms. That is why we issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. And once that cold front moves through, we will drop in temperature and the humidity will break. But as for today, we do have highs right near 80. It is breezy outside, and a passing shower or storm is possible this afternoon. We will clear out from that tonight with a low just in the mid-60s, so a pretty warm night ahead. So it is going to be humid up until Sunday. The chance of thunderstorms remains up until Sunday because of that. We have issued a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Sunday due to a cold front moving through that could bring some heavier bands of storms. We will cool down for the beginning of next week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Help is finally on the way for
where meteorologist Eric Gage is tracking rain at this hour.
Yes, that's right. First off, warm day today. Temperatures already in the 80s, just a really warm and muggy day. But looking ahead, we're tracking some rain showers, especially in the southern valleys. Take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing a lot of clear conditions right now, a lot of clouds. We've looked to the south. There's a strong system that's impacting the areas south in the Pennsylvania area, moving out to the north. This will be moving in this direction as we head into this evening, especially hitting the southern part of Otsego County and heading towards the eastern part of Herkimer County. As you can see right now, mostly the cloud cover is in the southern valleys. Temperature right now is 81 degrees, feels like 82, and absolutely very warm day today. Tracking mostly cloudy this evening, thunderstorms to the south possibly with some weak thunderstorms. Very warm tomorrow, temperatures possibly reaching the 90s. I also have updated information on the storms for the next couple of days coming up in the next couple of minutes. The evening temperatures in the 70s and 80s, and have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back over to you.
All right, Eric, thank you. A contractor from Westernville is facing charges in
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Happy Friday. A warm Friday. Temperatures in the 80s, looking to warm into the 90s as we head into the weekend. A very warm weekend ahead. Let's take a look outside. Our Cavie Tower camera overlooking Smith Hill. Very hazy today, overcast skies, some clear conditions moving into some areas as well. However, let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing quiet conditions across some areas, some rainfall beginning from the south. There is a very strong system that brought tornado watches to Pennsylvania, and that is moving up into the northeast. The edge of this is looking to move into our area, specifically southern Otsego County and eastern Herkimer counties, are moving in later on this evening. If you're up in the northern part of our area, it's looking to remain mostly dry throughout the night tonight. Today's featured dogs are Sadie, Finnegan, and Hemi. Three dogs as well. Temperatures going to be falling into the 70s, but overall, a very warm night tonight. If you're in the southern valleys, I'd recommend just keeping an umbrella handy. The bigger picture, a very long warm front across most areas right now. Once again, that did bring some severe weather down to the areas in Pennsylvania as well. Seeing some cooler temperatures move into the area for the weekend ahead as we look ahead with a cold front moving in from the west. There's a tornado that actually was confirmed in northern Michigan just a few minutes ago, and that's going to be moving into our area heading into Saturday and Sunday. So updated information on the storm systems for this weekend. Well, first, keeping an eye on this little area down to the south, possibly some heavier rainfall with some rumbles of thunder, not looking to be severe at this point. We're looking like to be hitting the perfect conditions for weather to be looking on the weaker side as we head into this weekend. Take a look at tomorrow. Temperatures are in the 60s and 70s by the morning, already in the 80s by 9 a.m. and reaching the 90s. Very hot and humid for tomorrow afternoon, mostly clear skies. The timing of the thunderstorms is going to be perfect for them weakening as we head into the morning. The cold front looks to move in around 1 a.m. by Monday or early Sunday morning as well. So seeing those storms clear out and weaken as we head into Sunday. Now, Sunday's a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. We're going to keep you updated about this, the threat as well, but looking like the storms are going to be weaker, specifically out to the east as we look ahead for Sunday evening. Mainly the storm timing is going to be around 5 o'clock in the evening. And this is basically why, is take a look at the bigger picture. All this red is basically the unstable atmosphere, and the warnings have moved further out to the east. So looking like the possibility of some thunderstorms developing, but it's looking to be mostly out of our area. So our MOCAS for Clinton and Tractor so far to tomorrow is looking to be nice, specifically during the afternoon hours. Sunday, though, we'll just keep an eye on that one. I would not recommend doing outdoor activities, particularly in the evening, for the possibility of severe weather. It is on the low end, but still keep an eye on that. But Monday is looking like cooler but more cloudy skies. Tonight, temperatures in the 60s, partly cloudy. Tomorrow, the high of 90, in the upper 90s, some areas as well. Partly cloudy skies, thunderstorm late, our 7-day forecast. Still Storm Picker 2 alert day on Sunday. We'll keep more information throughout the weekend on any updated info about that too. But temperatures already going to be in the 90s for the weekend. I think this is our first 90-degree day for this area, so very warm.
I'm ready. All right, Eric, thank you. Health officials are investigating a possible...
Meteorologist Eric Gage in for Bill tonight, and we're looking at a severe weather risk for tomorrow, right?
Yes, that's right, for tomorrow and also for Sunday. And I want to kind of break down what the risks are for the next few days. Take a look at the risks right now. This is for tomorrow night, the timing. Now, thankfully, it's going to be happening in the middle of the night, so the possibility of some very severe weather look to be on the low side. High winds and hail being the highest risks. Sunday afternoon, the highest risks are mainly out of our area, out to the east. Once again, high winds and hail. Possibility of isolated tornadoes still non-zero, very unlikely as we head into the next couple of days. Recap of severe weather risk categories. Currently, for the next couple of days, we're reaching level 1 to level 2. So this is a slight risk, short-lived possibility of some scattered thunderstorms as we head into the next couple of days. Keep an eye on that as we head into the weekend. Right now, it's 81 degrees. Temperatures will continue to rise as we head into the afternoon. Live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Picker 2, adopt the radar. Looking at the bigger picture, we're seeing the storms kind of moving in from the south, going to be possibly reaching the southern part of Otsego County, heading out towards the eastern part of Herkimer. We'll keep you updated throughout the evening about what to expect for that. Tonight, though, temperatures in the 60s. Have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back over to you.
Eric, thank you. It's that time of year.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. A very warm Friday, and warm temperatures will continue to rise as we head into the weekend for Saturday. Temperatures possibly reaching the 90s. Take a look outside. Our Mirabito camera overlooking Oneonta. Seeing some increasing clouds, and we'll take a look at where to expect the rainfall for the next couple of hours. You can already see some rainfall starting up north of Little Falls and Utica. Basically, the lifting of the Adirondacks is basically causing that rain to happen. As well as some pockets of rainfall down in the south. You can see the bigger picture. A very strong system that caused some severe thunderstorm warnings down in Pennsylvania is looking to turn up north to our area, but that will look to weaken. So those thunderstorms looking to weaken into light rumbles of thunder and rainfall, specifically out in the southern part of Otsego County and heading out to the eastern part of Herkimer County. Scout temperatures in the 70s and inland, and already been told the black flies are very bad up in the Adirondacks right now. Taking a look at temperatures around the Mohawk Valley, temperatures in the mid-70s to upper 70s, 78 in Barneveld and 80 in Mohawk, as well as 82 in Clinton and 80 in New Hartford. And across southern valleys, temperatures still very warm in the upper 70s, 77 in Edmiston, 77 in Milford, and 76 in West Lawrence. The bigger picture, once again, a very long warm front is influencing our weather today, bringing that rainfall out into our area, expecting to see that rainfall mainly into the next couple of hours between 5 to 7 o'clock, looking to remain a much more cloudy conditions as we head into tonight. Here's a look at where to expect it. Still, once again, in the southern parts of Otsego County, heading out to the eastern part of Herkimer County. That'll be just very brief, and I'll see that rainfall clear out in dry conditions. Keep in mind that tonight is going to be very warm. Temperatures already in the 60s and 70s at 3 a.m. with mostly cloudy skies. Possibly some patchy fogs heading tomorrow morning, but already 9 a.m. tomorrow, temperatures already in the 80s and looks to rise into the 90s as we head into mostly clear skies for the afternoon on Saturday. And keep an eye on the Saturday evening, some pockets of some thunderstorms moving into the area with the cold front moving in later on in the night. The strongest of the front moving in during the nighttime, so weakening as we head into Sunday. And once again, Sunday is a Storm Picker 2 alert day. We'll keep you updated throughout the weekend. But the good news is that most of the severe weather looks to be primarily out of our area. There's still the pockets of possibility seeing some possible severe thunderstorms, especially in the southern valleys and across some areas as well. But once again, the severe threat is mainly out to the east, and it might shift by a couple of areas as we head into the next couple of days. And once again, we'll keep you updated throughout the weekend. Probably a good weekend to put in your air conditioner. Looking ahead for this weekend, very hot and muggy by Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures already in the 90s in the Mohawk Valley, so you might want to put that in for this weekend. Otherwise, it's going to be very humid in your house and very warm as well. Tonight, temperatures in the 60s, partly cloudy skies, some mostly cloudy skies turning into patchy fogs into the early morning tomorrow. A high of 90, your first 90-degree day of the year. Thunderstorms later on in the evening. Our 7-day forecast once again to keep you up to date on Sunday. It's looking to be a little bit weaker, better conditions as we head into Sunday. Once again, temperatures falling into the 60s by Monday and seeing the possibility of thunderstorms again as we head into Thursday and Friday. Be right back.
Past at 6, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. A warm day today. We're seeing the possibility of a few showers, possible rumbles of thunder moving into the southern areas as we head into this evening. Let's take a look at a Yorkville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing some showers, especially north of Little Falls right now, kind of forming due to the height of the Adirondacks right now. Look to the south. We're seeing this much stronger system slowly move further north. As you can see the rotation right now. It might be moving south to closer to the bottom part of Otsego County, mainly Oneonta, and heading out to the east part of Herkimer County. Let's take a look at our clouds. Overall, mostly cloudy skies as we head to the south. Right now, temperature is 83 degrees. Temperatures will continue to rise as we head into the evening, heading into tomorrow, I should say, with much more muggy temperatures ahead. Mostly cloudy this evening. Once again, rain possible in the southeast with possible rumbles of thunder. Very warm tomorrow. Temperatures already rising into the 90s. Also have updated info on the storm systems we're tracking this weekend. This evening, though, temperatures in the 70s and 80s, and your full Storm Tracker 2 forecast for the weekend coming up. Back over to you.
Eric, thank you. Prom and
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Happy Friday. Mostly cloudy skies, a possibility of some rain showers, especially in the southern valleys heading up to the east, along with some warmer temperatures heading the rest of the weekend. Take a look at our Mirado camera overlooking Oneonta. Seeing mostly cloudy skies, some patches of sunshine. But overall, we're seeing some possibility of some light rain, especially in some areas. To take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we're seeing some rainfall due to lifting of the land right up north of Little Falls area. Some patchy rain as well, some moisture in the atmosphere. Keep an eye on this area down south. Some severe weather to Pennsylvania area, some tornado watches as well. But that's going to be out of our area. The possibility of tornadoes is going to be out of our area for tonight. We're seeing the arrow basically indicating where the path might be going for the northern end if you might see some possible rain shower, especially if you're in the Oneonta area heading towards the eastern part of Herkimer County. Skyward temperatures this evening, very warm, already in the 80s, 80 in Mohawk, 80 in New Hartford as well, with 82 reported in Clinton, 73 up in the North Country and Inlet, and in the upper 70s across most areas. Around the southern valleys as well, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, 77 in Evanston, 79 in Whitesboro, 78 over in Eaton. Those warm temperatures will continue to rise ahead of the weekend. That means it's time for the air conditioner to be put in the window, and if you haven't put it in yet, Saturday and Sunday look to be the best days to do it because we'll might put in today for the possibility of some much warmer temperatures for Saturday and Sunday, already reaching the 90s by Saturday and 80s as we head into Sunday with warm, humid temperatures as well. It's going to be very muggy outside. The bigger picture, a warm front widespread moving across the East Coast right now, bringing some weather to our area, mainly to the south, some severe weather. A big system moved severe weather out to the areas of Pennsylvania, and it's going to remain south of our area for tonight. Here's a look at what to expect for this weekend. Once again, we have updated information for you along with the storms for this weekend. Once again, the rainfall will be out of our area, no severe threat for tonight. Heading into tomorrow, well, first off, temperatures will start out in the 60s and 70s, rising to the 80s by Saturday morning, an absolutely warm Saturday morning, rising to the 90s by the afternoon. And keep in mind the possibility of a few scattered thunderstorms before this front moves into the area. As the front moves in, thankfully, later on in the night, heading into 1 a.m., and what that means is the strength of the storm will weaken, so we're not going to see as severe a threat as the atmosphere is very unstable ahead of this front. Sunday is still the Storm Tracker 2 alert day, and temperatures will not be as warm. However, the storms are moving in through the daytime. Now, thankfully, the strongest storms look to be out to the east. Once again, we'll keep you updated throughout the weekend and what to expect with those storms as we head throughout the weekend as well. And here's a look at why the storm is moving out to the east. You can see the unstable atmosphere is out to the east right now. The possibility of that still forming some thunderstorms in our area is still a possibility. Tonight, temperatures in the 60s, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, a high of 90 with partly cloudy skies. Thunderstorms will be later on in the evening. Our 7-day forecast, temperatures will fall into the 60s after the cold front moves in on Monday. We head into Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures rising to the 60s and 70s by Thursday. The possibility of some more storms heading into Thursday.
He's tracking this earlier, and Eric, is this going to come our way?
It's looking like well, the same system is going to be moving our way, but thankfully it's going to be weakening as we head into the next couple of days. The storm system that did affect this area is moving in right around Saturday night. Looking at the later hours, take a look at where the system originally came from. Zoom out a little bit over to Michigan. This is what we look for on the radar when we expect some tornado warnings. And this is a textbook example of where to expect a tornado. We call this a hook echo. Basically, there's a little hook right over here in this area, and this right here is where the tornado formed, and it was just north of Gaylord. And as you can see, system is out to the west, sort of moving into our area. We'll be heading into our area at least for the next couple of days as well, heading into Saturday night. Right now, temperatures in the 70s, falling into the 60s for tonight, a very warm and humid night. See the possibility of some increasing clouds. Some areas might see some clear skies as well. Patchy fog tomorrow morning will be humid, while very warm temperatures in the 90s. I was expecting a few rounds of thunderstorm this weekend. I have updated information on what to expect for this weekend coming up. Back over to you.
Eric, thank you. We're hearing tonight from state officials.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. This story tonight, it's going to be humid, it's going to be mild, and it's going to be cloudy across most areas. Take a look at a Rapido camera overlooking Oneonta. And right now, we see a lot of humidity in New York. Battery Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. All this green is some light humidity. This will continue to rise, and possibility of some patchy fog, especially for tomorrow morning, is a possibility, as temperatures tomorrow will rocket into the 90s over a couple of hours for tomorrow morning. The bigger picture right now, a very strong warm front moving some much more warmer air, some tropical air, I should say, some mostly humid, hot temperatures rising in the 90s over that area. We're also tracking a cold front that's going to be moving into our area, slowing down a little bit, especially with that wind pushing up towards the north. Expect this cold front to move through our area. The timing of this will eventually be our storms as we head into Saturday night. Once again, this area is hot and humid, a perfect concoction for some storms as we head into the weekend. Here's the timing of what to expect for the next couple of days. So far tonight is going to fall into the 60s, a very mild and humid night tonight. Patchy fog in the morning as temperatures already rise into the 80s by 9 a.m. Some more clouds as well, and some mostly clear skies to partly cloudy skies throughout the afternoon. However, the risk of severe weather, looking like the major storm line is going to be moving into our area right around 1 a.m. in the morning. There's still a possibility of some pop-up showers and thunderstorms to arrive a little bit earlier. So I'd say the safe time is probably around 6 p.m. And after that is when we're going to start seeing some pop-up storms turn into this cold front. And once again, this will be moving into our area in the morning hours. It will be clearing out by Sunday morning. And Sunday is going to be a little bit cooler, but still the temperatures will still be rising into the 70s overall. But Sunday is our Storm Picker 2 alert day, and brand new information in the last hour. We've gotten information. These are looking to strengthen a little bit. Most of the heavier storms are out to the east, but once again, the timing of the storms for Sunday look to be between noon to 6 o'clock. That's going to be the area of risk, especially for Sunday afternoon. But after that, those temperatures will plummet down into the 60s and 50s for the area for Sunday night. The severe weather risk is mainly going to be high winds as well. Still that yellow area right there, that's a slight risk, and also hail for some areas as we head into tomorrow. And once again, for the categories, we're at a level 2 for tomorrow. It's a possibility of some scattered thunderstorms. Some short-lived severe thunderstorms are possible, as well as some tornadoes, but tornado possibility is low to none. We're not at an enhanced risk like we saw the last Monday. Air conditioning forecast, time to put it in. It's going to be hot, humid, and pretty much overall very warm as we head into a tropical day tomorrow. Temperatures falling into the 60s tonight, but rising into the 90s with partly cloudy skies in the afternoon, and thunderstorms move in late. Storm Picker 2 7-day forecast, alert day on Sunday. Temperatures fall into the 60s after rising to the 70s once again by Thursday as another cold front brings some thunderstorms as we head into Thursday and Friday. Be right back.
Eric. Meteorologist Eric Gage, following all of this, could we see this system come our way?
So fortunately, it's looking to be weakening, but the storm system that did cause this is going to be heading in our direction. Let's take a look at where this happened on the radar and satellite. We zoom out to northern Michigan. This does not happen often in this area of Michigan. We zoom in. This is what we call a hook echo. This is what we look for tornadoes. You can see this little hook that kind of curves right here. This is where the tornado was located, and it moved a little bit north of Bagley. And this heading into our area, right around Saturday night. I have the timing for that coming up in just a little minute. Right now, temperature is 69 degrees, going to remain clear and cloudy in some areas. Very humid, humidity already at 78%. Will continue to rise. Expect partly cloudy skies tonight. Patchy fog tomorrow morning as it warms up into the 90s. Very humid day tomorrow. Also tracking a few rounds of thunderstorms this weekend. Over tonight, though, temperatures falling into the 60s. And I'll break down where and when to expect these thunderstorms, especially from that system that you just said, coming up. Back over to you, Jason.
Eric, we'll see you in that little minute.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Here's a look outside our Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. It's going to remain warm and humid as we head into tonight. Temperatures falling into the 60s, rising into the 70s and 80s by tomorrow, and hitting the highs near 90s. Take a look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of humidity in the atmosphere right now. See all that light green. It's going to continue to increase in humidity as we head in the next couple of hours. Into early tomorrow morning, the possibility of some patchy fog as we head into early tomorrow morning. The bigger picture, we have a long warm front over this area right now. It's stretching across the northeast. This cold front out to the west brought that tornado that you saw earlier on in Michigan that is moving in our direction. Now, fortunately, it is slowing down. It's looking to be hitting our area as we head into Saturday night. The timing on that coming up in just a second. But overall, the conditions are going to be perfect. It's going to be hot and it's going to be humid as we head into tomorrow. Very hot temperatures in the 90s as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures falling into the 60s by tonight, rising into the 70s and hitting 81 degrees in the Mohawk Valley by 9 a.m. tomorrow. A very warm start to the day. We're seeing clearing skies as temperatures rise into the 90s. Now, the timing of the storm system is what we're going to be expecting so far. The highest severity, this just came in. New data just came in the past couple of hours. So the highest threat for Saturday looks to remain between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. So this is the timing right now. This is 1 a.m. But there could be some isolated thunderstorms moving into the area as we head into early on Saturday night, heading into early Sunday morning. Sunday is going to look once again just a little bit clearer and temperatures are rising to the 80s. And the severe weather threat is going to be arriving later on in the afternoon. Once again, Sunday is a Storm Picker 2 alert day just because the storms are moving into the area in the afternoon. And we're seeing that timing of the area lasting between 12 and 6. That's the overall threat time to expect for Sunday as temperatures will continue to fall into the 60s after. So here's the severe weather risk so far. See that yellow right there? We're in that area, and the highest risk right now are for some gusty winds and hail. Hail is possible. Tornadoes are low to none possibility, as well as some localized flooding as well. And keep in mind, we're at a level 2 for the severe risk category, seeing slight risk of severe thunderstorms. If they are scattered, they will be short-lived with 1 to 2 tornadoes possible. It's looking to remain that those tornadoes are expecting to move out of our area, especially out to the east. Tonight, temperatures in the 60s, partly cloudy. It will be humid tomorrow. Temperatures rising into the 90s with partly cloudy skies. And the thunderstorms will be happening later on in the evening, heading into early Sunday morning, later into Saturday night. Our Storm Picker 2 7-day forecast. Once again, Sunday is an alert day. We'll keep you updated on new information so far. The timing for the storms over the weekend, once again, Saturday 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. and Sunday 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Those are our times for the possibility of thunderstorms. We'll be right back.